Living in New Orleans means enjoying vibrant culture, historic neighborhoods, and warm weather almost year-round. But that heat and humidity can also drive up cooling costs, especially during long summers when air conditioners work overtime. If your energy bills seem higher than they should be, your windows may be part of the problem. Replacing old or inefficient windows is one of the most effective ways New Orleans homeowners can reduce cooling costs and improve overall comfort. Why old windows increase cooling bills? Many older homes in New Orleans still have single-pane or poorly sealed windows. These outdated windows allow heat to transfer easily from the outside into your home. On hot, sunny days, warm air seeps in while cool, conditioned air escapes. Your air conditioner has to run longer and harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, which leads to higher energy bills and added strain on your HVAC system. Humidity is another challenge. Gaps, cracks, and worn window frames can allow moist air to enter your home, making rooms feel warmer and stickier. This forces your cooling system to work even harder to remove excess moisture from the air. How replacement windows improve energy efficiency? Modern replacement windows are designed specifically to combat heat transfer and air leakage. They use advanced materials and construction methods that help keep the heat outside where it belongs. One of the biggest upgrades is double or triple pane glass. These windows use multiple layers of glass with insulating gas in between, significantly reducing the amount of heat that passes through. This means less solar heat enters your home during the hottest parts of the day. Low emissivity, low E, coatings also play a major role. These nearly invisible coatings reflect heat away from your home while still allowing natural light inside. For New Orleans homeowners, this means rooms stay brighter without becoming unbearably hot. Better seals mean lower cooling costs. Replacement windows are custom fitted to your home, creating a tighter seal than older windows. High-quality weather stripping and professionally installed frames prevent air leaks that let cool air escape. When your home holds onto conditioned air more effectively, your air conditioner doesn't need to cycle as often, which directly reduces energy use. Over time, this improved efficiency can lead to noticeable savings on monthly cooling bills, especially during peak summer months. Increased comfort throughout your home. Lower cooling costs are only part of the benefit. Replacement windows help maintain more consistent indoor temperatures. Rooms near windows stay cooler and more comfortable, even during intense New Orleans heat. You'll also notice fewer hotspots, reduced glare, and better humidity control. Many homeowners also report quieter interiors, since modern windows reduce outside noise. This added comfort enhances daily living while making your home more enjoyable year-round. Long-term savings in home value. While replacement windows are an investment, they pay off in multiple ways. Reduced cooling costs add up over time, and less strain on your air conditioning system can extend its lifespan and reduce maintenance expenses. Energy-efficient windows are also attractive to potential buyers, increasing your home's resale value. In a climate like New Orleans, energy efficiency isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Replacement windows help protect your home from heat, humidity, and rising energy costs while improving comfort and style. A smart upgrade for New Orleans homes. If you're looking for a practical way to lower cooling costs and stay comfortable during New Orleans summers, replacement windows are a smart solution. With better insulation, tighter seals, and modern glass technology, they help your home stay cooler naturally, reducing your reliance on air conditioning and giving you peace of mind every time you open your energy bill.